Today we're in Chicago, Illinois, and it's not for the normal severe thunderstorm threat. No. Today was a water spout threat actually, but then I realized in order to get the water spouts, I'm actually gonna need a boat. And a big boat at that because, well, you're about to see, there's some giant waves. They got up to 9 feet on the shore here. So yeah, that's not gonna happen. There is a storm right out there, right offshore, but you can't see it. But it has potential water spouts on it, and you can see on radar, there's that little rotation deal, and a lot of 3K, which is what you need right at the surface, pulling it up. Chances are there's a water spout out there, but you can't see it. And also right now we're in a flash flood warning. We're gonna go check that out after we check out the beaches. Feels like a Western Washington December or November day right now, except it's in Chicago. Ooh, this, oh. Whoa. We're out here, surviving. It looks like the ocean, except it's fresh water. Like, what the heck? Oh, I just heard thunder. Okay, we got things happening, believe it or not. We went to go check out the river, and you could tell it was high, but there wasn't really anything exceptional about it, so I didn't film it. But right now comes the question of where do we go from here? We may have our answer already. So yeah. Could just head straight to Florida. So here's the deal. I personally want to go down to Arkansas because it's kind of like a centralized location where I can go anywhere from there, and there'll be storms, and to have an aunt and uncle down there that I could potentially stay with for like a couple days, a week. But there's storms down in Florida, and my brain right now is finding it really hard because it up to 10 inches of rain down in Florida. Well, I thought I knew what to say, but now it's just gone bonkers again. I do have a tweet going viral. Oh yeah, I remember what we're gonna do. We're gonna look at pivotal weather. Ugh. This is not what I wanted to film. My brain is just a confuzzle. I think I'm dehydrated, and the exhaust leak in my car is not helping me in the least. You can see there's no severe weather up here. This is a measurement of CAPE, surface-based CAPE, because GFS doesn't have any other parameters. In fact, if we click here, oh boy, look at that. That's a good model run. But see, there's no wind shear, so it's basically like Arizona monsoon season. But voila, there's water spout potential. How far away is Miami? Miami. 1,500. We have enough money for that, but we'd be pretty much broke by the time we got there, so that ain't gonna work. Ugh, my brain. And maybe we'll just stay here. Here's also an option until we see actual storms on the horizon. But I mean, like, if we go to Storm Prediction Center, there is no storms anywhere. There's a marginal risk on the East Coast and down in Arizona. Arizona? Pretty darn good marginal risk up in West Virginia area. But we're not gonna go there. Look at that. Got ourselves a rainbow. The water's really warm. It's like bathtub, actually warm bathtub water. Big waves. My wave watching gives you an appetite. Appetite? Okay, we got like 2 more pieces of bread. But we still got this much peanut butter, this much jelly, and this much fork. And then we're gonna get ourselves a little, and we're gonna spread the peanut butter just to make it edible. Ugh. Why is my bread looking like that? That's how you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich if you didn't know already. We're protected right here, and it's gusting 30 to 40 out there. We do have some rain headed for us. Not much, just light rain. Severe thunderstorm in California. Our last 2 pieces of bread, so we're gonna eat this well. Oh yeah, that's a jelly sandwich. Run. Ah!